scream. I didn't know what to do or say. Needed time to think about the time and the way. What was I supposed to do? You were standing there and I know you. I knew I needed another sign to let me know it'd be just fine, but I didn't know exactly what to say. Still don't even to this day. You came to me, you're in this place. You had such a scary face, and now I don't know what to do. You come around this town and I look you in the eyes, and to my own very surprise, you have demon eyes, demon eyes. Your mother is the devil to my surprise. Demon eyes, demon eyes. Not even a devil in a blue or red dress. Your whole life is a mess. Demon eyes, demon eyes.